When you create a schedule entry, besides designating the work date, work times, and employees, you also have the option to assign job costing to that entry, if your company has job costing enabled. Whatever information you enter here will by default show up for each work entry on your monthly calendar view, as well as in your weekly and daily view. But of course, you have the option to change the default schedule settings to only display the information on your calendar that you want. The schedule settings can be accessed by clicking on the gear icon. Here you can select the information that you want displayed on your monthly, weekly, and daily calendars. For example, if your monthly calendar view is becoming too overloaded for your taste, then you can choose to only show the names and times employees are scheduled to work by hiding the project's cost codes and equipment. This can simplify your monthly calendar view. When it comes to your weekly calendar, it shows the dates at the top, and then you can view the weekly calendar by employee, project, cost code, or equipment. Depending on how you choose to view your weekly schedule, you can use the settings to remove the redundant information. For example, you can choose to view your weekly schedule by projects. Then you can use the settings to uncheck projects so the project information isn't showing up twice. No matter how you customize your calendar settings, you can always see all the entry information by clicking on each entry, even if you decide to have no information displayed at all. Use the settings to customize your schedule into a schedule that works best for you.